Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So, when we search categories, and you'll find this more with locations when locations is also part of this search module, but we're just going to search categories. So we're just going to search a random category on this demo website. Now it's likely that when I conduct the search that we're going to get a page that appears just like so. Sorry, we didn't find any results on your search. Now, having the locations section on the home page will mean that it's more and more likely that a page like this will appear. And yet you can do some things to this page to dress this up. Let me show you and give you some ideas. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to locate the widget that calls this section here with no results. So we're going to put the widget view on. And then we're going to go down here and then we're going to locate the widget. So the widget we want is here, member results, no results. And it's just here. And if we go into customize, we can see here that this is what's being shown just at the moment. If you're using the Google add-ons, the Google ads, and having that appearing, then you'll get Google ads, which is what this section relates to at the top. But primarily on the demo website at the minute, it's this section, this small paragraph here that is showing just on this website. So that's what that is just say. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some content. So I've pre-prepared some content. So we're going to go to my content web page builder, and I've built this in a web page just very, very quickly. But what you might want to do is you might want to add this to a widget and stuff like that, and that's fine. Just for speed, I'm just going to be adding it like this. So we're going to go to edit this page, and you'll see here that I've created some links, and it says search businesses in the United States. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to this page so that it gives the consumer, the person, the visitor doing the search on the website, somewhere really to go quite simply through just clicking maybe a location. I've limited the locations that I've listed here, but you might add more locations, you might add images and stuff like that as well. So we're just going to copy that code, and then we're going to go back here and we're going to drop down and just paste that in there. Now, something else you might do as well is you might add a widget. So I'm just going to go to widget managers, and I'm just going to look at recent, because what I want to do is see if I can find the recent members widget, which is just here, display recent members. Now, usually this would be used on your home page, but what I thought might be a good idea would be to have this on the no results page as well. And you could use a featured widget as well, featured members widget, because that would give your featured members more exposure. So what I might do just at the top here is just before we get to the link section, I'm going to just drop that widget code in here. Then what we're going to do is save. We're going to go back here and we're going to do another search now on this website. So again, a random search. This is a demo site, so the likelihood of me falling upon one of the few listings that are on this site is unlikely. We're just going to do a random search and let's see what we get. So we can now see that we've got our widget, which is showing our recent members. And as I said, you could change this for the featured members. I would probably have this automatically scrolling as well. So I'd set this to 24. I might even set this to 2 across. It depends, again, if you're using this on the home page. If you're already using this on the home page, then you'll need to go with the settings that you've got currently set up on your home page. But it's another, you can add any widgets here, so it's just another great feature to add. And then we've got search businesses in the United States, and we've got these quick links, and people can just click on them as well. But I would say something, and this has just been done at speed, you could dress this page up to look so much nicer, so much better, so that when people are getting a page where there are no results, they're still getting some form of information or some direction in where to go sort of from there. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.